Hi everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva and I have another hotel room tour. But before we get started, please click that like button and that subscribe button so you'll keep getting videos like this. So I am at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando, Florida. And I am in the beachside tower, which is room 8608. And this room is an upgraded room. I got a pass holder discount for this room, an annual pass holder discount. So I actually am only paying $84 a night for this, plus all the fees. So it turns out to be around 99 or something. Anyway, so here's a room. It's 2 queen beds. So they have kind of puny pillows, but overall, I've been to this resort before. I haven't been in this tower before, but the beds were really comfortable the last time I was here, so that was good. Here's the bathroom. So everything's kind of that retro 60s style. So, and this is one of the like moderate value resorts. So it doesn't have a whole lot of extras. See, no bathtub, but it does have a stand-up shower with glass doors, and for that retro effect, the VO5 hair products and Zest soap, which I think is kind of cool. So you have a closet, and there is a room safe in there with ironing board. There's the door, so a little bit of extra space, like that little nook right there. You could probably put extra suitcases because this closet is very small if you have a family. They do have one of those stands for your luggage. Now, let's see. Next to the beds, okay, so the room has been sanitized, and they put the remote in this plastic, and there's also a little, is that hand sanitizer? So that's kind of nice to get a hand sanitizer with the room. There is hand sanitizer everywhere you go around Universal Orlando. There are outlets next to the bed, but no USB ports. Let's see what's over here. Here's your TV. And you do have a little coffee maker. You do not get this coffee maker if you stay at the Endless Summer Resort, but you do get it here because that's even greater value resort, I guess. So it comes with some few coffee products. And if you're wondering where this building is, here's the whole resort. So we are on this side. This is the building, and we're by the Lazy River pool, and it overlooks I don't know if you can see it right now because it's dark. You only see my reflection, but we have a view of Volcano Bay Water Park. It's not open right now, and it looks like they're doing some stuff out there. The volcano is a little bit lit up, and there are some lights on out there, but it's not as pretty as when it's open for business. Way out there, I can see, I think that's the Star Flyer out at, I don't know if that's at Fun Spot or if that may be the one on International Drive. So that's pretty cool. I think maybe I can show you this view again in the daytime so you can see, but it's a pretty cool view. This room is very far away from the lobby, so you'll be walking further if you're going to the parks, but you will be closer if you're going to Volcano Bay. So great room to stay in the summertime or anytime it's warm enough to do the water park. So this is my room at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. I hope you like this video. Please click that subscribe button and please like this video so you can continue to, get notifications when I do a new hotel tour. So thanks for watching. Okay, so it's morning. I slept very well. One thing about this room is it gets very cold, which I like because I am an up in age woman. So here is my view. Volcano Bay is closed right now, so they are doing construction. And I can see them, let's see. Looks like they're doing something right over there. But yeah, this is your view from this room, which is quite a cool view. You've got some not so cool stuff, but for the most part, I hope there's not glare in the picture. But this is a great view from this room. So this is room 8608 at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando. So this is CajunDIYDiva, and thanks for watching.